Good morning. Grade 2. We started with the lesson called Wild Animals, and we are just done with some categories of animals the other day in part 1. And today we will be doing rest of the lesson and also the new words from the lesson. So just get ready with your classwork, textbook, everything. So what are the topics that we covered in the first part of the lesson? Some animals live in the jungle, and we all studied about the wild animals, right? So what are the wild animals? The lion, the tiger, the wolf, elephant, deer, fox, bear, giraffe, rabbit, monkey, and snake, and the common wild animals. So the elephants and giraffes are very big animals, right? The fox, the rat, hare, hyena, and deer are small wild animals, and others are the medium-sized animals. When we turn to page 92, we'll just read till what we finished, and then we'll start with today's lesson. Food of wild animals. So what is the food of wild animals? The wild animals eat different kinds of food. So some we learned about the plant eating animals, flesh eating animals, animals which eat both plants and animals, and animals eating remains of dead animals. So well, let's read about the first category, plant eating animals. Animals such as elephant, zebra, deer, and giraffe eat grass and other plants. If you can see in the picture, you can easily understand. So we are revising this. So I want you to read along with your teacher. So what is the next category? Flesh eating animals. Animals such as lion, tiger, wolf, crocodile, and hawk kill other animals and eat their flesh. So if you look at the picture, you will easily understand. Next one. Animals such as bear, jackal, and crow eat both plants and flesh of other animals. Most birds eat both plants and insects. So you look at the picture, you will easily understand. Animals eating remains of dead animals. So wild animals such as vulture, fox, and jackal eat the remains of the dead animals. So today we are learning about the homes of animals. What are we learning? Homes of animals. The other day we learnt about the food of the animals. So what are the homes of animals? Like how we all need a home to live. Animals also need a home to live. Yes or no? So when you look at these pictures, you will easily understand what are the homes of the animals. So wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Some wild animals do not make homes. They don't make their homes. They live under the shades of trees or in caves. Lions and tigers take shelter in rock caves called dens. Birds make nests to live in. They make their nests on trees or in covered areas of buildings. So where do the birds live? Birds live by making nests on the trees or covered areas of the buildings. So let's read this paragraph once again. Wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Some wild animals do not make homes. They live under the shades of trees or in caves. Lions and tigers take shelter in rock caves called dens. Birds make nests to live in. They make their nest on trees or in covered areas of buildings. So sometimes you find these animals living in the uh, nests. They make their nest in our balcony also, right? Now, let's read about the rabbits, rats, and foxes make burrows. How they make? Let's see. Rabbits, rats, and foxes make burrows. Monkeys and squirrels do not make homes, but they rest and sleep on trees. You see the picture? Here, rabbit, fox, they are making burrows under the ground. What they do? They dig the soil and they um, dig the soil. They go deep into the burrow and then they sleep and then they take rest. So this is how they prevent themselves from the enemies. For example, rabbit is there. So some wild animal from the jungle will be looking to catch hold of the rabbit and eat away the rabbit, right? So what will rabbit do? It has to be safe somewhere. It will go and hide somewhere. It will sit in a secret place. So what is the secret place of this rabbit and fox? They will dig a burrow for themselves by removing the soil, and they go and sit inside the burrow. That is how they save themselves from the enemies. Next, look at the monkeys and the squirrels. The monkeys and the squirrels do not make homes, but they rest and sleep on the trees. So whenever you see a monkey, it will be always seen on the trees. Yes? Have you observed that? So they are always seen on the trees. So the wild animals such as deer and zebras move about in the jungle. So they do not make the homes. So all the wild animals like the deer and the zebra, they don't make home. They don't require a home, or they just don't sit in one place. They move from one place to other place in search of food. Now, the wild animals such as elephants, they live in and around thick forests. How do they live? They live in and around the thick forests so that they can get their food, they can get the shelter. Though they are in the forest, sometimes it rains and some other animal will be coming to chase, and then they will put them in trouble. So that is the reason why they will be moving from one place to other place. So let's read the points and then remember them. You have to read along with your teacher. Wild animals live in jungles. Read once again. Wild animals live in jungles. Next point. Elephants and giraffe are very big animals. Read once again. Elephant and giraffe are very big animals. Wild animals eat different kinds of food. Wild animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat grass plants. And what are those animals? Elephant, zebra, and giraffe are the grass eating animals. Flesh of other animals, the lion, tiger, and wolf. Both plants and flesh, bear and crow. Wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Where do wild animals live? Wild animals live in different kinds of homes. Now, the next part of exercises, you will be doing it from the printed notes. But before that, you have to read the lesson thoroughly, and then you have to do the textbook exercises. Let's write the textbook exercises from page number 96. So I want you all to open to page number 96 to do the exercises. So do you have your pencil and your eraser along with your book? So let's start reading and then complete the exercise. So what is the sentence? Wild animals live in dash. So when we read the lesson, what did we read? Wild animals live in the jungle. Jungle. Second one. Dash is a big wild animal. What is a big wild animal? Elephant is the big wild animal. Now, the deer and elephant eat. What do they eat? The deer and the elephant will eat only the plants. Okay. Now, question number 4. Vulture and jackal eat the dead animals because they always eat the leftover food of the lion, the leftover food of the tiger's food. They will be eating only from that. So, first one is jungle, second one is elephant, third one is plants, fourth one is dead animals. If you want to write slowly, you have to stop the video and write. Then you have to on the video again for the other answers. Question number 5. Bear and crow eat dash. What do they eat? They eat both plants and animals. That we studied in the beginning of the lesson only. So let's write plants and animals. What do bear and crow eat? They eat both plants and animals. That is the speciality. Number 6. Rats make dash. So where do they live basically? The rats will make holes even at home. What do they would do? What do they make? They make holes and then they live inside it. Next, question number 7. The shelter of a lion is called den. That everybody knows. The shelter of the lion is called den. But does it make its own den? It will not make its own den, but it will search for a place where it can go and stay very safely during the rainy season, during the summer season, or it can stay safely from other of its enemies. It will wait to attack somebody, so it will go and safely stay inside the den. So complete the answers and let's write the next exercise. That is, write yes or no in the box. So say yes or no. So you have to write for this exercise number 3. Elephants live in burrows. Do elephants live in burrows? No, because burrows are very small places dug inside the soil. Only rabbits and small animals can do that. Elephant is a very big animal, so it cannot live in the burrow. So number 1 is no. Deers eat leaves of plants only. Yes, because deer cannot eat any other food other than the leaves. Bears eat remains of dead animals. No, bear will eat both plants and animals, and that is wrong. Giraffe is called the king of the animals. Is it the correct answer? What is the king of the animals? What is the king of the jungle? Lion is the king of the jungle. But what about the giraffe? Giraffe is not the king of the jungle. So no. Lion is a domestic animal. Oh my god. So if lion is a domestic animal, can we keep lion at home? No, we cannot keep lion at home because it is a very wild animal. It will kill the other animals for its food. So it has wild habits, wild food habits. So the lion is not a domestic animal. So write no for it. So the first answer is no, second answer is yes, third answer is no, fourth answer is no, fifth answer is also no. Now, we are done with the yes and no answers also. If you want to write slowly, you have to pause the video and then write it. After writing, on it again. Exercise number 4. Complete the boxes. Here you are given some spellings of the animals. What are given here? Spellings of the animals. So the spellings of the animals you have to guess and write. Little clue is given. What is the first one? What is the clue? Animal with a tall trunk. So it is the Giraffe. Giraffe. Write down the answer. Very good. Next. King of the jungle. Lion. Lion. Animal living in the shade of trees. Elephant. Elephant. Next, animal that helps to keep the jungle clean by eating dead animals. Jackal. Next, animal making a burrow for itself. Rabbit. So these are the answers for the question number 4. Let's read them once again. Giraffe. Lion. Elephant. Jackal. Rabbit. Now we will write the new words. So those who have not completed the activity, you have to complete the activity, and then you should be writing the new words. So first is write the new words. Now let's read the first. So what are the wild animals? Let's write W-I-L-D, wild. Write down E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. M-E-D-I-U-M, medium. Next. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Write down D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. F-L-E-S-H, flesh. J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal. B-E-A-R, bear. I'll read all the 7 words. Wild, elephant, medium, different, flesh, jackal, bear. Next. From number 8. Birds, B-I-R-D-S, birds. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Caves, C-A-V-E-S, caves. D-E-N-S, dens. V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. N-E-S-T, nest. B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. J-U-N-G-L-E, jungle. So these are the new words which I want everybody to write very neatly, and then you do your textbook exercises. Then you have to do your question and answers 3 times. So with that we will complete lesson number 2. And I want you to learn all the spellings properly after completing this lesson. So that's all for today's lesson, and let's meet in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.